Want to make your Mac faster, smoother, and way easier to use? Here are 10 Mac tips you need to know in 2026. Tip 1. Press FN and Q to open QuickNote instantly. It's perfect for saving ideas without opening any apps. Tip 2. Use universal control to move your mouse and keyboard seamlessly between your Mac and iPad. Just drag your cursor to the edge and keep working. Tip 3. Press Command and space to open Spotlight. Search apps, files, definitions, or even do quick calculations. It's your Mac's hidden superpower. Tip 4. Use trackpad gestures to move faster. Swipe up with 3 fingers for mission control, and swipe left or right to switch desktops instantly. Tip 5. Press Shift, Command, and 5 to open the screenshot and screen recording tools. Capture anything on your screen in seconds. Tip 6. Use split view by holding the green window button. Snap 2 apps side by side for easy multitasking. Tip 7. Press the FN key twice to start dictation anywhere. Speak your text instead of typing it. Tip 8. Clean up storage by going to About This Mac, then Storage, then Manage. Remove clutter and free up space quickly. Tip 9. Set up hot corners to trigger actions like lock screen or Launchpad, just by moving your cursor to a corner. Tip 10. Use focus modes to block distractions while working, studying, or editing. Create custom modes that fit your routine. If you want more simple Mac tips that save time and make life easier, hit like and subscribe.